Good morning. We are here today to commemorate December 25th, the birth of our nation's founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah, famously known as Quaid-e-Azam or the Great Leader. Born in Karachi in 1876, Jinnah was a brilliant jurist who ultimately deemed for the two-nation theory an essential necessity to secure the religious and cultural autonomy of the Indian Muslims. His unwavering integrity and constitutional acumen guided the movement to supremacy in August 1947 when he became